Okay, here it is. Borderlands 3 Collector's Edition. Fuck yeah. So the sides of the box got like COV, an extra Borderlands swag of what you're getting. Alright, let's open this shit up. Give me a second. Just for now, I need both hands. Oh god. Alright, here we go. Now when this sleeve comes off. Woo! This amazing art. That's already the side there. Alright. It's got tabs to open. Got my pocket knife for this. Alright. Okay. And here is my diamond loot chest. Alright, I'm gonna flip this over real quick. Maybe that'll work. Fuck yeah. Oh, there's the game. Woo! Okay, so it does have a holographic case to the inner case, which is no text metal, which is glorious. Alright. Open this up real quick. It's a shame I need two hands for everything and don't have a face hand or a thing that I can just attach it to my head or something. Okay. So here's the box. It's got nice tabs that you can release. Buttons that are useless, it's just fake. Oh, this lifts up. Oh, so you gotta lift it up and then slide it back. And it opens just like that. Alright. Got a whole bunch of stuff packed in here. There's all the figurines. Oh, it looks like they're... Okay, so they're metal. Wish I could do this in darker light so you could see. Yeah. So they're metal. I'll bring them out later. But that looks glorious. We've got Sanctuary 3 model. 1 to 200 scale. It says question mark after that, so I'm not sure. I gotta get it out. It's a lot more of a hassle than I thought it would be. So there's that. Made by the Torg Corporation. And we got our cloth map of the galaxy. And Torg's package delivery, P1 package exclusive. And it looks like it's probably the Prince, but we're gonna have to figure that out later. But this is now closable. Awesome. And I'll show you from the back. Looks like it's got a speaker and everything like that, and a power button. It's all fake, but it's real cool. Just the fact that it says Loot Diamond. That's such a cool way to open it, though. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video for now and go start installing this before I get back to you. Alright, and I'm back. Alright, so this is... God, that's great art. There we go. It looks like... Oh, okay. So this is just a case for your case. So you can throw your game in here. And it's got all this art. Looks badass as hell. Alright. Let's see what's in here. Pause it for a sec. Okay, so I just got it open here. Thank God I'm not a film major. I'm terrible at filming. Alright, here's our keychains. Oh, okay. So it said 4 vault key keychains. That's actually 4 different vault keys. So you got your triangular one. What looks like just a shotgun shell. An old vault symbol. A spiky ball. I don't think I'm gonna put that spiky ball in my pocket, but you know. Probably gonna use the shotgun shell as the one I'm gonna use. But that's really cool. Alright. So that's those. We've got the cloth map here. I'm gonna pause it to open it up here. Alright, so this is our cloth map. We got some nice detail in here. There's like notes and everything like that scribbled all over. The back isn't the best, but I could use this as a mouse pad or something. It's not as thick as a playmat, but it's nice. Alright, I'm gonna open the miniatures. That might take a while. Okay, so I got the figurines open. Here's Tyrene. I forget his name, but you know. Then we got the 4 Vault Hunters. Unfortunately, these are plastic. They're not metal, but they've got their own base, and I could probably get Cam to paint them. And there's the Miss Moxie, Ellie, Lilith, and Claptrap here. So that's the 10 that you get. I'm really sad that these aren't metal. I thought they'd be like really cool, but they're just quote-unquote collectible, and that's it. And here for the long pause, I'm gonna go assemble this shit. Okay, so the ship's gonna take probably more than a few hours to build, and I don't really have that time because my game's almost finished downloading. So I'm just gonna open up this Torx confidential package. Let's see what's in it. I'm gonna try to be careful with this seal here. There we go. Okay. Slide everything out here. Oh no, the seal's stuck. Oh, it unravels anyway. So, we have Troy and Tyrene. We've got Amara, Mose, Flack, and Zane. All these are really cool. I really like these. Yeah, frankly, these are what makes it worth it. It's between that and the ship. Yeah. Alright, these are definitely going up in my room. That's so cool. Alright. All done.